Hey, in this video, I'm gonna break down a real Pinterest ad strategy that we have used for one of our clients, and we have gained more than $70,000 of sales. And guess what? We have spent only $2,900. Yes, you heard it right. I got $70,000 of sales on Pinterest ads and spent only $2,900. I'm gonna show you everything step by step, how much we have spent per day, how you can run these types of ads, and what the strategy I have used. This is a real case study of one of my clients, and I'm gonna show you everything step by step. Nothing is hidden here. Let's jump right in. Hey, I'm Javed, owner and founder of Grow Pinterest. Grow Pinterest is a Pinterest marketing management service agency. Since 2020, we have been helping businesses grow their brand on Pinterest and makes millions plus of sales just from Pinterest ads. If you want to grow your business on Pinterest, feel free to connect with me. Thank you. So here you can see this is one of our clients' account, and I'm going to show you the ad strategy of this account. This is a fashion brand, and we have been working on this account for last 6 months. So if I directly jump into the ad account, so here you can see this is the ad account. So this is linked to my profile. So here you can see Brooklyn, Stockholm. So in this account, we have gained so far, we have spent $45,000 and got $339,000 of sales. So it's a Swedish money, right? But we are gonna count it as dollars, right? So here you can see we have spent $45,000 and got $339,000 of sales, which is insane. And out of it, I'm gonna show you my top performing ads. So from here you can see in these ads we have spent 900, and in these ads we have spent 1200, and got here, take a look at the order value of 57,000 and 20,000. After spending 1200, we got 20,000. After spending 1900, we got 57,000, which is insane. Let's jump right into the ads. So if we just go to the edit so that we can see how the ads is performing, and I'm gonna show you what the way I have run the ads. So it's a festival dress ads. So here you can see this is the festival dress ads, and on these ads we got 57,000 of sales. So at first we have run the ads on conversion so that we can drive more people to our website. So we give it a ad budget here, $25. Here you can see this is a campaign name, so we give it a name of our campaign. So this is a campaign name, and from campaign we're gonna click on continue. So from this one is a campaign, and from campaign we're gonna hit to ad group. This one is ad group, this one is campaign, this one is ad group, and this is our ads. So we're gonna set up all the targeting and everything with the ad group. So with the targeting strategy, we have choose our one. So here you can see, so we have selected choose our own. There's a 3 ad targeting strategy. One is find new customer, and one is reconnecting with user, and the last one is choose your own. So we research and everything, and that's why we have choose your own. But maximum time we use find new customer, also reconnecting with user if we have find users when we wanted to reconnect with them. So we're gonna choose with reconnecting with user. So for now we choose our own. So from there we click on interest and keyword. So if we directly go to the interest and keyword, here you can see we have choose one interest and 50 keywords. So let's click here. So select, here you can see we have chooses the interest in women's fashion. And if we click on the keyword, so here we have added 50 keyword, and from there you can add any of the keyword. Let's say if we click on beauty, so then you will see there's so many keyword we're gonna get in beauty. So here you can see beauty nails, beauty fashion. There's a 5 million monthly search. So as you can see, it's a very good tools for keyword research. You can research your keyword from there also. So this way we're gonna add the keyword. So if we, let's say beauty nails, if we add this one, so in the light, as you can see, this one is added here already. So we're gonna not use this, so we're gonna leave it. Cross. Okay. So here is the demographic targeting. Let's dive into the demographics. So here you can see we have choose all age of people. So we're choosing everything actually. So we find out every single age of we have find out every group of ad people. Every group of age people are willing to buy it. So we have chosen everything. So from there we have chosen a specific location, and from the specific we choose USA. So we're gonna targeting USA. If you wanna target any region or any specific area, you can connect with postal code also. See, we can connect with meters, region, countries. metros, postal codes, everything you can target from your targeted audience actually. So we're gonna choose the all language, and we have choose Android mobile, iPad, iPhone, Android tablet. We don't use web and web search because most of the marketers and people who is here for research, they are browsing normally from web and all. So the people who are willing to purchase, they normally visit from iPhone, iPad, mobile, and Android tablet actually. From there, everything we will go with as it is. We don't need to choose any kinds of edit. So from there, here you can see the ads. So from there, we're gonna select pin or create ads or create ID ads. From selecting, you're gonna click on select, and all the pin we have made, all the post we have made, it will appear here, and we're gonna choose this one. And if we click on add, it will add automatically. So we don't need to add, we already added. So we're gonna click on cross. And from the cards, you're gonna add a call to action button, and the link, you can add your link, the destination link of your website, that people you want to drive to your website and purchase this dress. So we're gonna use so many dresses, all of our targeted dress regarding to the strategy, regarding to our ad name. So all the festival dresses, as you can see. And second one is another one which is a bodysuits. So here you can see the bodysuits. We got $20,000 of sales. So it's also a conversion campaign. And here you can see we give it a name, we give it a budget, same as it is. Then click, we're gonna go to the ad groups details. And from the ad group details, here we can see we have choose targeting strategy, find a new customer. We have used find new customer here. And from the find new customer here, you can see audience details. On this one, we don't use any audience details. So here you can see, so in the audience details there is 0, but here you can see on the audience details we have audience list of 10. Total audience is 39 million. So that means we have made an audience of 39 millions, and we're gonna retarget all of the audience right now. So all the 39 million people we have, we're gonna retarget them. And we made a list of these 39 people. How you can make this? You can simply go to create new audience, and from the audience you're gonna click on audience and name, let's say festival dress, and gonna click on website. You're gonna choose all of your website you have claimed to it, Pinterest, and click on create. Okay, so you just need to click on create and then click on use existing list. And from the list, here you can see our festival dresses appear. The link we have made, it's already appeared, so we don't need it, we're gonna remove it. And this way you can make your own audience list. From these ads, as much audience you're gonna reach, as much people will visit your website, Pinterest will save these people and add it to your list. So the right way we can add it. Here you can see armband, we got 9 million, 2 million, 2 million, 9 million people we have listed. So this way we're gonna retarget them. So it's the ad strategy. You can make your audience list, and from then if you want to retarget them, if you want to go in front of your audience, then you can target them, and you can go in front of exact audience this way. It's a very good strategy, and we have got so many sales from these types of strategy. And let's jump into the interest and keywords again. It's the same in the selected women's fashion, and we got keyword 73 keyword. See? And in the demographics again, we choose women's, all the ages, location United States, all languages, 4 devices, and we have chooses according to our, as you can see, the order now, destination link, and our call to action website, and images. So that's it. This is the ads. So this was our 2 best ads campaign. I have shown you everything what I have used on this strategy. It's not hard, it's pretty simple. Just you need to design your Pinterest account and ads in a right way. You just need to target the exact audience with your targeting keyword, with your audience leads, and that's it. I can ensure you, if you follow all of these steps and run the ads this way, I can definitely ensure you can gain a very good sales. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.